Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north-central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday.
SVA 107 has been issued. And once again, I gotta play this thing. Alright, here we go. At 3, 2, 1, and go.
At 5 p.m. at Valparaiso was sunny. The temperature was 52 degrees.
Okay, here we go. Now, SVA 107.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch number 107, effective until 7 p.m. or 9 Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DuPage, DeKalb, Grundy, Iroquois, Kankakee, Kendall, King, Wright, LaSalle, Lee, Vermilion, Whiteside, Winnebago, Whitford, and Will, and the following counties in Indiana: Wright, Newton, and Porter. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage in lines in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Highs in the mid-60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. For Sunday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy.
Alright, so there you
This
have
is NOAA's Weather Radio, West-North G689 inches Porter Township. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for northwest Indiana, including Porter, Lake, Newton, Jasper, Pulaski, Stark, and LaPorte counties. Standard broadcasts will be cut off for the latest severe weather information.
We got a new alert that coming through.
Coming soon this summer, in July 29th, 2023. The National Weather Service at Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, western Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, eastern Norfolk County in northwestern Indiana, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over near Valparaiso, 436 miles west of Union Mills, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm.
Really?
Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts.
What?
Source,
The frick?
weather spotters and pack. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Expensive and extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Union Mills, Porter County Fairgrounds, and Hebron. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle from flooding roadways.
Like, what the actual frick?
At this time, the strongest winds are favored to be south of Interstate 80. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Saturday, elevated non-thunderstorm. thunderstorming in April 16th is coming next month too. The National Weather Service at Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 5 Central Daylight Time. At 3:26 Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm is capable of producing a tornado was located over Valparaiso, or 36 miles west of Union Mills, moving northeast at 53 miles per hour hazard, tornado on 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated rotation impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Union Mills around 10 p.m. Valparaiso around 4:16 p.m. Other locations impact of this tornadic thunderstorm include Porter County Fairgrounds and Newton County Union Mills. This includes Northern Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Calumet, Valparaiso University, Browns Harbor and Porter. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
There we go.